What is up, math superstars? This is Mr. Peterson coming to you from the Math Cave. And so in this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, we're going to be talking about adding mixed fractions. In adding mixed fractions, we're going to start with this equation. 1 2/3 plus 2 1/2 equals. So in step number 1, what we're going to do is we're going to add the whole numbers first. And so in doing that, we're going to add 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 3 is our answer to step number 1. In step number 2 now, we're going to add the fractions together. And so we're going to add 2/3 plus 1/2. And so in doing so, the denominators are different. So we notice our denominators are 3 and 2, and so in adding fractions together, we need to have a common denominator. And so when we find the least common multiple between 3 and 2, we know that is 6. So let's go ahead and rewrite both of these fractions as their equivalents. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. So whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. And for our second fraction, 1/2, we know that 2 times 3 equals 6. And so whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So 3 times 1 is 3. So when we add these fractions together, we now have 7/6. Well, 7/6 is an improper fraction. And we need to make this into a mixed fraction. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and write it over here. Let's write 7/6 over here. We know that 6/6 is equal to 1 whole. And so we already know we have 1 whole left. So 1 whole. And the thing that's left, the fraction that's left, so if we subtract 7/6 minus 6/6, we're left with 1/6. And so our new mixed fraction is 1 1/6, which is the same as this improper fraction as 7/6. So now in step number 3, we're going to add your answers from steps 1 and 2. So the answer from step number 1 was 3 plus, and our answer from step number 2 is 1 1/6. So now let's go ahead and add these together. So now let's add the whole numbers. We have 4. And we add our fraction, we bring our fraction down because 0 plus 1/6 equals 1/6. And we just came up with our answer to this problem. 1 2/3 plus 2 1/2 equals 4 1/6.
Thank you for watching Math Superstars.